You're searching how to buy shares of Solana Co. Solana County operates in solar energy infrastructure and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HSDT. This video is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a regulated broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HSDT to find Solana County quickly. Confirm the company name and market listing so you select the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check that the ticker and company details match before continuing. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed at market open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.